Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a video on how I make my own black soap shampoo, and let's get right into it. First thing you need to get is black soap, and this is the raw African black soap from Ghana. If you do not want to use this, you have the option of using DUDU OSUN or any other black soap that works well for you. But for today's video, I would be using the raw African black soap from Ghana. So what you need to do is to get a bowl which you're going to cut the black soap in, and cut your black soap into smaller chunks for it to be able to dissolve. So the next thing we're going to do is to take hot water and pour into the soap for the soap to melt, and make sure your water is covering where the soap reaches, and this takes close to about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how soft your soap is. Right after this, you can use your shampoo like that, but black soap strips the hair of moisture, hence the addition of all these things that are added into it. Now this is shea butter, white shea butter. There's yellow shea butter, but I prefer the white shea butter, and I'm just going to take about 1 or 2 spoons into it for the butter to melt with the soap in the hot water. Now that the black soap and the shea butter is all melted, I can start adding my favorite oils, and I'll be showing the benefits of these oils. So sit back, relax and watch. So after adding all these things, I'm just going to mix it together, and then I want to check how soapy it is, if it lathers very well. Like this, our black soap is very ready for use. As I said earlier, the basic recipe can be black soap, water, and any oil of your choice, but this DIY black soap shampoo cleanses your hair without stripping it. The oils combined with the black soap make sure your hair is well moisturized even after washing. So please be free to add any oils of your choice, even oils that have scents like rosemary, lavender and lemon oil, any particular oil of your choice. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not going to strain the black soap because I love my black soap like that. Some people strain the black soap to remove whatever particles might be remaining there, but I'm just going to leave it like this. I really hope you learned a lot from this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you make yours. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to all your friends.